Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again to another of my videos. If you're new here, hey, welcome, what's up? Same applies to you. Just click the subscribe button and bell as well so you are up to date with what I do on my channel. I'm not annoying, I promise. Today's video is on this beautiful curly hair. Any details that I might have missed in the course of this tutorial, anything that I don't mention now, will be in the description bar. Use my code TONY, so T-O-N-I, Tony as in Braxton, Tony as in Tony Kalani. Use my code TONY for money off your LuvMe Hair purchases. This beautiful hair came in this purple box. Obviously the hair was in this like organza bag, and they also give you a little pouch. They give you the essentials you need realistically to like work the hair. The hair, let me tell you about it. The texture is absolutely beautiful. It is, I think it's the nicest curly hair I've had in a minute. Like, I'm not shading my Wiggins hair one because God knows that's a loose, deep wave. Let's say the white girls went to like Mallorca or somewhere with their family, and then they get the cornrows in their hair, and then they come back to school like, oh yeah, my hair looks like yours because they have cornrows. And they take out the cornrows like 3 or 4 days later, and then they have like a weird zigzaggy curl pattern. That's what this hair gives me. It gives me white girl went on holiday and took out her braids curl. But it's weird because it's like, I don't know, I hope you guys get what I mean when I say that. It's a bit of a zigzag curl, not really a curly ringlet curl per se, more of a zigzag curl. But let me tell you that the hair is thick as hell, thicker than me. It is thick and it is beautiful. The knots bleached very quickly, and quite frankly, I'm really happy. The lace I think could have been better. I prefer the lace in their undetectable lace range. This one was a bit more lacy, not really scalpy, but nonetheless you can still make it work. And I'm so excited. So if you want to watch how I installed the hair, please continue watching on. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Thank you for tuning in. Let's go. Upon putting it on my head the first time, this is what it looks like. This curl is so cute. Let me just stop waffling and actually get to installing the wig. If my under eye starts moving mad in this video, I'm gonna cry because I'm tired. I don't know what to do. My eyes just keep watering or the product keeps creasing. It's driving me insane. Obviously because my hairline is quite low, I had to cut into or tweeze into the hairline to make it like work with my face. They said it's 13 by 6, but like this space from here to here, it doesn't look like 6 inches across to me, but I don't make the wigs and I haven't got a tape measure off, so I guess if they're saying it's 6 inches, it's 6 inches. But I've seen 6 inches and I think it's a bit bigger than that. But anyway, on to more important things. I'm going to begin by cutting the hairline in a jagged motion. Yeah, I feel like my cap is a bit too light, so I'm going to just go over the perimeter and in the middle part because I will be wearing my hair lace in the middle part. Okay, so my eye makeup, like the under eye I was telling you guys about, this one is doing an absolute mazzoline, so we might have some problems, and that is just unfortunate because I look really good. Why is it always that when your face is like done and it looks amazing, that your nose decides to run or your eye decides to water or your under eye highlight decides to crease? Like, it's so bad mind. But right now I'm just getting rid of any makeup that is going to be, or English Tony, I'm just taking off any makeup that is on my face and underneath where the lace will lay, because you don't want to lay the lace on makeup. It will just make everything look messy and gunky and disgusting, so that's why I'm using just a baby wipe to clean my face. Now just to put the wig on my head and just get everything in the right position. And then to lay everything down, I'll be using my Got2B Gel in black. Surprise, surprise, I lost my Elastic PP foam, so I'll be using the Creme of Nature Style and Shine Foam in Mousse. I'll get a bit of gel. Bit of the gel and a bit of the foam. a 1:1 type ratio, 1 pump with like 1 little bit of gel, and mix those together. I'm going to focus on this top area first. Then I'm going to use my blow dryer just to dry it quickly so it gets a bit tacky. I think that's alright. Yep. Then I'm going to bring forward the wig and just position it with my little rat tail comb. Well, not a rat tail comb, but with my little comb, just so that everything is in place. So with the comb, you're literally just using it to like press in and ensure that there's no creases and everything is flat and push in. Anywhere where the lace might still be lifting, just go over with a little bit more on top of the lace this time, so that you can literally just melt it in. This glue's on its last like legs, so not glue, this gel's on its last legs. So yeah, you literally just go over. And this I won't dry with the blow dryer because I'm gonna just set it with the band and whatnot. And then down here is literally just gonna be pure Got2B Gel, because I think it requires the most security, because when your wig lifts, most of the time it's down here that lifts first, so. And then you can dry that a bit so it gets tacky. Yeah, pull that down. Yeah. That's cool. Look, it is laying. And even if it isn't, I'm literally just gonna tie it down and use the blow dryer so it will just set in place. And the same should happen on this side. And with the hair, rather than directly with your fingers on the lace, you want to like just press into place the whole hairline. I hope you understand what I mean. So rather than just, okay, finger, lace, no. You literally use the hair on itself to melt things in place. I'm gonna just wet the hair quickly so I can work on the curls a bit, because as I've been trying to set the wig and whatnot, obviously I've made it a bit more poofy. So let me just wet the hair and I'll be right back. I'm using my Creme of Nature foam just to help me define these curls, get them popping and whatnot. And focus on the ends, because the ends can be the drier part. Not drier, but the ends of the hair tend to look quite different to the top of the hair. So I want to make sure they look defined and healthy. I might even just trim them slightly actually. And then on this side, the same applies. Take off this band. Oh yeah, look at the lay, look at the melt. that is all done. Shouldn't really be playing in the hair as it's drying, but and look at this side as well. I quite like that. Okay, I don't really want to wear baby hairs with this wig, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll just show you guys how I would go about getting them. So the little sweep here, use the tail of the comb to separate the hair. And if it's a bit too thick, just to thin it out and make it fluffy, use a tweezer and just tweeze randomly to thin out the hair you've picked. And then I'm gonna have baby hairs on this side. You've got to be gel. I'm gonna put that here. We're gonna start with this side. And use a toothbrush and just mold this into place. Looks a bit long, but yeah, it's a bit long. So let's just trim this one here. Oh, I feel like I did more than a trim. I think I took the whole piece. Whoops. And then this one over here. Set everything in place, get it looking good. I'm going to use my wax stick by Diamante Hair. This wax stick, I love it. I love it. I love it because it's semi-matte and it isn't too greasy. And it gives the hair like a nice little shine, nothing that's too, oh my gosh, look, she's wearing fake hair. Like, it doesn't make your hair look like Barbie hair. Along with my hot comb. This thing is so hot, I'm scared because it's even smoking, Jesus. To flatten everything and get it looking perfect. And then for that natural height that I like, I'm gonna just hot comb upwards. Just trim the ends ever so slightly to get everything looking healthy. Just look at everything. And I think that's me done. That is how I install and style this wet and wavy hair from LuvMe Hair. It's about bra strap length when it's not stretched, and when it's stretched it's about, I would say 18 or 20 inches. 18 most likely because I trimmed it. I think that's really cute. It's giving, oh, I'm so cute, wow. So that is the finished style. If there's anything I missed, guys, please do comment below. Let me know what you think about it. I think I can actually wear it up. I can wear it in all sorts, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna leave it as it is. And I look so wholesome and innocent, oh my gosh. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.